Here we go again, another adventure. This is Freaktography, and today we have a very small adventure. We have a little abandoned cabin, but it's another time capsule, and it's a time capsule cabin. So I've had this location on my map for probably a good 4 years, and never bothered to come check it out because I could never see it from Google Street View. I knew there was something here, but I didn't know what was here. And so let's turn this camera around and show you guys. It's very, very small, but there's lots of stuff. So first thing we're going to do, music, intro, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so let's start wide and we'll see the whole room. Okay, here's your main door right here, and we're going to spin around. You've got a bed right here that's still made. You got all kinds of stuff on the wall here. All kinds of decorations on the wall. And we'll do a really up-close explore of all this stuff on the wall. Alright? But we're going to go around and around. And basically that's the kitchen right there. There's my lights that are lighting the place up. There's a mirror right there. And there's a closet. And then there we are right back at the main door again. So, let's take a look at what we got. Let me find my flashlight. Where's my flashlight? Here it is. Actually, I'll bring this light right here. Okay, so here's your furnace. Wood-burning furnace. Made by Good Cheer. Goes up. Chimney goes outside. On the furnace, you've got a kettle for boiling water, and there's a very comfortable chair right there for the old man to sit in. You got a games table back there, and then here's a closet with some clothes and an old vacuum cleaner. Here you've got some running shoes and boots and a hat, and then here's a number of knickknacks. You got an owl, picture of a cat, a fish right there. Moving along here, we've got a picture of an owl, a bird. So this bed here is actually a sofa. So it's a couch, opens up to a bed. And we'll go over here, and I guess that's where you go to the bathroom. There's your commode chair right there. So we're going to move that out of the way. And we'll come over here to this side. Here you've got a big stuffed monkey or something. Alright. Some pictures on the wall. And then there's a lot of birdhouses. There's a birdhouse here. And we'll go across here. And you got all kinds of birdhouses and stuff. You got some owls and you got a monkey. You got another birdhouse. Check this out. We got a chair. Looks like salt and pepper shakers there. A butterfly. They like owls, that's for sure. Some more owls here. We got anything inside here? Let's see. You got some cards there for playing your games. And picture of a tiger. Some pens. More owls. You got some books there to read. Okay, what's in the cookie jar? Just some stuff. There's just stuff in the cookie jar, guys. Alright. Then back up here, you got more bird houses. Bottle openers. Blown glass. There's a skeleton there of a stingray or some kind of a little fish. All kinds of little knickknacks here, guys. Let's see what we got in here. More books. Books in National Geographic magazine. Let's see on this side. Phone book. And there's my camera. Moving along over here into the kitchen. Here is an old stove with a pretend $1 bill on there. There's your toaster, spice rack, One of those annoying clocks that make a different bird noise every hour. Turn this off here. What's up here? So the mice have really done their thing in here, that's for sure. You got a lot of damage from mice. That's quite evident. Up in here, wasabi peas, cups and glasses, more dishes. And do we dare we open the fridge? Okay, it's empty, it's just got bird feed in it. And then here, take a look inside here, why don't we? Okay, this is your fuse box here. You've got some supplements and some Band-Aids and baby powder, toothpaste, toothbrush, soap. All right. They definitely like the birds. All right. Small fridge, microwave, TV. You got a little electric organ here. All right. Another birdhouse. There's a look out the window. There's a really nice little stream that goes around the back. Oh, here we go. Creepy doll. Can't have an abandoned place without a creepy doll. You got a tiger there doing something questionable with his hand. Don't know what he's up to there. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just a small little one-room shack. Hunting cabin, maybe. Come back over here. There's the doll. She's got something in her hair. So this won't be much of a big explorer, but it's still pretty, pretty neat. Okay, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I guess that's it. It's been a short one. What I'll do is I'll follow up the video with some pictures, and then we'll close this video off. Please make sure you subscribe to my second channel. I'll link that down below, as well as in the links on the screen. Subscribe to my second channel. Hope you guys like this one. Cool little spot. There's always something to explore. See you guys next time.